So we are here with the Audi S4. As the title suggests, both cars are now gone. If you're watching this video, this car is sold. You might be wondering what is next for the channel. I will not be revealing what's coming, but I will say there is a new vehicle on its way. And let's just go ahead and talk about my brief ownership experience of this vehicle. Longtime viewers of the channel will know that I have had the S4 for 3.5 years exactly. It has been a fantastic ownership experience. We've done all the tunes, tons of mods. The car already came equipped really nicely. As you can see, RS grille was added. I'm leaving that on. We blacked out all the chrome. Obviously it has the red calipers. It had the red interior fully loaded. It's the Technique package. Basically top trim. It had the carbon fiber mirrors OEM. It had the carbon trunk spoiler as well OEM. Honestly, just a beautiful spec as it is, but we made it even better. We've had our fun with it. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. But again, now is the time to sell it, and something else has to come into the play. So let's talk about some positives and negatives about this car. As you can see, the hood is open, the engine is showing. The first thing, and the reason why I bought the car, was obviously the 3-liter single turbo engine. It's not super peppy from factory, but this thing is so tunable. You can do the intake, it makes it sound significantly better. You do the downpipe, you get that growl, you tune it, you get those burbles to go along with it. Honestly, you do a stage 1, a stage 2, or a stage 3, this thing is a monster when you pair it with the all-wheel drive. So that is honestly my favorite thing. The second best thing is the look of it. It's a very understated vehicle. It looks great. It's like a gentleman's car is the best way to describe it, but yet it has the power, especially when you tune it. So the third thing I love about this vehicle is the tech packages, and obviously it's a Technique vehicle, so you have the full massage seats, it has heads-up display, obviously you have dual map screen view, the analog dash is digital in this case, the Bang & Olufsen system. So honestly, it has everything that you need from a vehicle. The fourth thing that I absolutely love about this vehicle is it's all-wheel drive. Therefore, this is absolutely perfect for launching the car, for everyday drivability, and finally, in the winter, this thing is the best car. Obviously, it's a Quattro. Let us talk about weaknesses about this car, and honestly, there aren't many. So the water pump went, as I told you, and the turbo went, so this really goes under the head of maintenance. It's a German car. It's going to have issues. It has a lot of tech. These cars consistently come up with new technology. There's always going to be issues. Oil changes are going to be costly if you're not doing them yourself. Obviously, you have to do other things to it. So that is probably the worst thing. Otherwise, the car is absolutely amazing. And the only reason why I'm getting rid of it is it's been almost 4 years. It's time to switch it up, and I just want something different. I will give you guys this as a hint. The next car is not an Audi. So the final clue I'm willing to give away is the fact that the new vehicle is very similar to this one, and it is still a 4-door. So that's all I'm going to say at this time. I do want to tell you guys that it has been an absolute pleasure to be in the Audi community. The guys are great. I've met up with you a few times. I want to thank 034 Motorsport, ECS Tuning, and TTE Turbo. They've been really helpful on the channel. It's been fantastic. I want to thank you guys for viewing as well, but the journey is still not over. We're going to have a lot of fun with the new one. We're going to be doing some mods. I don't know if we're going to be tuning it right away, but there is going to be a lot of good stuff coming. So with that said, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.